First thing I want to do is remove the wheel. If you have these hubcaps, just go ahead and use a 19mm socket, remove all these little plastic nuts that hold the hubcap on, and then you can go ahead and remove the wheel. Set this aside, and continuing with the 19mm socket, remove the wheel. Now if you look back here, you'll find the sway bar link right over there. Connects to the sway bar on the bottom and connects onto the knuckle up top there. That is a 16mm bolt that we have to remove. Try to slide your socket on here. Okay, take that out. Now, if you follow it down, we'll have to pop it off of the sway bar right there. I'm going to attempt to do this by just using a large pry bar, sticking it in here, and trying to pry this off. However, it might not work. Spin it, pull it down. There we go. Just like this. I'll try again this way. Might give me more area to grip onto with the pry bar. Well, it's not quite what I had in mind. There we go. I'm putting some silicone paste on the inside of this bushing. That way it'll slip on easier. I also put some on the end of the sway bar right there. Get this up into position here. And this part's going to be pretty tricky. I'm going to try and kind of like scoop it up and over with the pry bar. Oh, there we go. That's it. It's on. There's a washer that went in between the sway bar link and the knuckle. Don't forget to put that back. Go ahead and thread in the bolt by hand so it doesn't accidentally cross thread. Make it nice and snug. Get the wheel back on, put on all 5 of your lug nuts, bottom them out, and torque them to 100 foot-pounds. And if you have the hubcap, reinstall that, line up the hole with the valve stem, and tighten up these plastic nuts by hand, that way they don't strip out. Down the road you go.